Hey guys, we're gonna change out this intake duct boot right here on this 2011 Honda Odyssey with the 3.5 liter V6. They're pretty common for the accordion section here to actually tear open. And that's just gonna let a bunch of dirt and debris and whatever else get sucked into the engine. So pretty important that we change this. I was surprised that the engine didn't run rough or have any startability problems, seeing as we've got a mass airflow sensor here and there's sort of unmetered air getting past. But somehow that doesn't really affect it. As far as I know, anyways, we haven't had any issues with the van. So.
It did stutter a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Just a little bit.
There you go. That might be a symptom. But anyways, let's get to changing this. Very simple. Our factory clamps here are 5.5 millimeter screws. We have 2 clamps. And then we've also got this pipe that goes into the intake as well. And there's just a little clamp right here. That little spring clamp, you can actually just use your fingers and take this off. And I'm gonna try to just remove this right now. So we just pull that right out, simple as that. Now we've gotta take this wiring harness. It's sort of clipped into this boot here, and there's a sensor. So just carefully untuck that off to the side. And then now all we need to do is remove our screws. And we've got one down here. So I just actually completely removed them because our new boot comes with new clamps. I'm going to start by removing this side first. And if you wanted to, you could take this air box and sort of undo it. I'm gonna see if I can just cheat and not do that. And then we should be able to sort of pull it out this way, like so. And there we go, we've got the old ripped one. Yeah, I can't believe how much that's actually like ripped open. It's pretty bad. Anyways, now we're ready to install our new one. So you can see that clamp that I had fell down there. But once again, this little replacement boot comes with a new clamp on there. And we'll have to use some pliers to get that to spread open. But we're just gonna try to slip this thing down on in here. And be careful not to have the boot fold over. Just make sure that it goes around that whole surface entirely. I might need to actually just loosen these clamps off a little bit. Alright, so we're now down into the throttle body. It seems good. And just sort of stuff this down in here. Get that to line up. Might need to loosen this off a little bit more. Just double check that everything is seated in there correctly. And then we're gonna do this clamp right here, stick that on. Just like that. Then we can tighten this down. And we can tighten this one down over here. Once again, just make sure that it's seated all the way on. And then we've just got this wiring harness that we've got to get tucked back into this location here. And that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully the video helped you. And if you have any questions, throw them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.